Bonjour, welcome to the Instant Grammar Review for Chapter 4A. This represents the first chapter of this 8th grade year. 4 big grammar topics. The first is a brand new irregular verb. This is the verb aller. Second topic is how do you say to the, or in the, or at the. This is really just a refresh. You learned this last year in 7th grade, but we learned more places, and so we'll just refresh that real quickly. Then we'll go over to discussing the futur proche, which is the near future. This is really a use of aller in a different way, and then you're able to express what's happening in the future tense. And then we will use lots of space for information, questions. Love that one. Okay, let's come back to aller. Aller, we're going to go back to our trusty verb house. Aller is an irregular verb. It does not follow a pattern, and it goes like this. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Ça c'est un O. D'accord? Notice that this is an example of a boot verb. D'accord? Aller. Moving down to the in, or at the, when we think in terms of the places that we will go, like parc, or piscine, or école, or even maybe magasin. Masculine singular, feminine singular, vowel start, and plural. We just have to think about how we say to the. When we say to the park, we have a really special contracted version, au parc. When we say to the pool, we just use literally to and the, à la piscine. When we say to the school, we use literally to the, à l'école. And when we want to say to a masculine or feminine plural place, we'll say au magasin. And again, it also has a special contracted version. Okay? Third topic. What we're really doing is taking aller, and we are going to use aller in a special way to create a future thought. So the minute that you have aller in whatever conjugated form you need, and you add it to what's called in fancy terms the infinitive. The infinitive is the unchanged verb, right? The verb in its R-E-E-R or I-R form. Then you magically have things like je vais manger. This form matches, I'm going. This form is unchanged, and je vais manger means I'm going to eat. Let's try another one. If we have elle and we have va, notice my form of aller changes to match the va. I'm going to throw any other verb on there in its unchanged form. Elle va finir. She is going to finish. And then the only thing to think about in terms of negatives is if we have something like nous allons jouer. We have a form that matches our nous. We have an unchanged form. And then I'm just going to pop in a little ne pas around our conjugated verb. Nous n'allons pas jouer, and that's the future tense. Okay, we're getting rid of everything now. Going back to information question words. I can hear a Christmas carol in my ear. I don't have a kazoo. Are you ready? Qui means who. Que means what. Quand will ask us when. À quelle heure asks at what time, and où asks where you been. Comment means how. Pourquoi means why. Pourquoi means what for. Quel means which. Combien, how much. We've question words galore. Any of these information question words, we start off the sentence, we add our est-ce que, which is our magical question-making expression, qui est-ce que, And then we just add whatever little teeny tiny simple or complex subject and verb. And we magically have an information question word. Qui est-ce que tu invites? Who are you inviting? Notice that that matches. Let's do one more. Quand est-ce que tu manges? Information question word. Est-ce que? Et voilà, chapter 4A. Fini.